Hi, Suparna.
Hi, Harish. How are
Good to
you?
see you. It's been a few days.
Yes, it's been I think around 10 to 11 days now. Yep.
Yeah. So tell us what happened.
I happened to go out with a friend of mine who subsequently tested positive for COVID. Uh,
Okay.
Fortunately, I too started. I developed similar symptoms, had fever, body ache, a bad headache, lost sense of taste. Um, So yeah, very much symptoms that I think indicate COVID started surfacing after 2 or 3 days after I met him. Uh, so then I reached out to Harish, that's you. Um, so
So why did you reach out to us
I think that was
and
on
not the hospital?
Tuesday. Yeah, that was on Tuesday. So I said I think I reached out to last Monday saying that I likely may have a problem.
Okay.
But Tuesday was when the symptoms started surfacing, and that's when I reached out to you again. I did not want to go through any of the COVID medication. I did not want to get quarantined, all of that. So I preferred the natural way of healing.
So
Uh,
why the faith in natural way of healing?
yeah, yes. That's been a constant for the last many years. And
Okay,
what
good.
you're doing helps. Yep.
So what happened? We shared certain things for you to do. How
Yeah.
long did it last? How tough was it? How easy was it? I mean, just a general thing.
Yeah, so not at all tough in terms of the medication that I needed to follow. Yeah, the only tough part was, certain parts of it was a little tough. Um, Other than that, the medication bit was quite easy to do.
Okay.
Lasted for around 2 days. Within 2 days, I started recovering. Third day, I had completely recovered.
Excellent.
And after that, I think the fourth day was when I was absolutely back to normal, and no symptoms, no problems after that.
In the last
It's
10 days.
been around 10 days, nothing that has surfaced, no concerns at all.
Excellent. Very happy for you. And I wish other people took that leap of faith like you did and saved themselves a lot of trouble and money too.
Yes,
Thank you so much
absolutely.
for keeping the faith and wishing you all the best. And hope the others realize too there's really nothing much to the COVID thing. Uh,
It's just one thing that I also wanted to add was, the symptoms and how I felt was not very different from how you feel for any viral infection. So it was not like it was not more severe, should I say. So I think it's just that we need to keep faith, keep some patience instead of jumping onto uh,
yeah. See, it's largely the
medications.
breathlessness, the loss of taste, smell. Those are the things which distinct or which show the distinction between a regular flu and COVID, which is what it is. But otherwise, the efficacy is the same. Only this is seems to be far more infectious. That's all. That's why it's spreading so fast. But otherwise, the healing uh, modem, if we take the right way forward, which is always about building your strength so that you can fight anything, not only COVID 19, and we are good to go. Thank you so
Yep.
much, and wishing you all the best and good health.
Yeah, you too. All the best. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thanks so
Bye
much.
bye.
Bye
Thank you.
bye.